The Indus script was an ancient writing system of Indus Valley civilization. Some research scholars have traced the roots of development of Indus script back to 7000 BC. Ascoparpola just supports this opinion, but he writes that Indus script fully developed during 2500 BC to 1900 BC. The Indus script was explored from Mohenjo-daro and other sites of Indus Valley civilization depicted on Indus seals. First time the symbols of Indus script have been found out of Mohenjo-daro etched in stones in Kirthar mountain range in Sindh, Pakistan. The symbols of Indus script, including variant Indus script engraved on stones, are included in my book Indus Script in Stones. On other hand, the symbols of Indus seal script are depicted inversely as well. The field research work is still continued for exploring the symbols of Indus script inscribed on stone in Kirthar mountain range, Sindh, Pakistan.